Alright, so today I'm going to see if I can repair the fencing fiasco. As you can see, I've got a little overlap here. Don't want any overlap. Want this thing going straight across. So, I've got choices. I can disassemble all this and cut this back, do that all the way down, or I can go the more fun route and get my Sawzall and just cut straight down this way through both gates. They'll match up. It'll remove material from this side on both of them, but that's okay. It just reduces the weight that's on those hinges over there. So let's see what we got going here. I'm gonna kind of take this 2x4 out. I'll probably be using it later. Let's see, let me remove the clamp here. All right, and if I think for sure if I just cut right down beside that one right there, it will clear that one too, and I can get this gate to match up. I think I've got a good plan here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get this gate to match up. I'm gonna go get my Sawzall. It's a DeWalt reciprocating saw that I have not used yet. So let's put this little clamp back in place here. Alright, that clamp is back in place. And yep, gonna go get that reciprocating saw, string out the extension cords, and go to town on it. Don't expect a straight line. I mean, it might be semi-straight. I'll see if I can't mark a line on here and follow it. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And then I can take that apart and do it the correct way. Put it on like that one. So yeah, that's what we'll do. Alright, so what we've got in the box is my brand spanking new DeWalt reciprocating saw, and below that in here we've got a package of blades. So let's get those open. Let's see, got my knife in my pocket. Let's see if we can just kind of cut this like this. Just kind of butcher the packaging here a little bit. Nothing wrong with butchering the packaging. There, that ought to be good enough. Ought to be able to pull that sucker apart with that. Alright. Alright, got everything out. This is the blade that I want. It's it's a tough sucker. Alright. So the DeWalt saw. Alright. So I want the blade going in this way. like that. So what we're going to do is, yep. All right, so that comes all the way up, and blade goes in like that. Release that, and that sucker's in there. All right. First things first, get rid of their little wrap here. All right, let's go. Here we go. All right, so I went ahead and marked a line. I don't know if you can see that or not. I guess you can. But marked a line. This is going to be my reference here. So we'll see what happens. Well, the gate is now a custom fit. Butchery with the reciprocating saw is done. I've got to take this apart and put that on here, and then I need to add some screws because, as you can see, I cut out the screws along the edge, so you got to reattach the edge of the plywood. No big deal. All right, so let's go get my stuff and get started. Okay, well, I've got it up there. Got that bracket in. Got that bracket in. The gate pretty much stays where I want it. So I'll probably put more brackets down below to shore up that bottom section. But anyway, to finish this up, I have got to disconnect the fence from there, attach it to this post. So disconnect from there, attach to here, and this fence I'll be cutting in here, secure it to that post. It'll be good enough for now, and attach it to this post. So might as well get started with that. Once I do that, I can get rid of that little bitty ass gate that's been bugging the crap out of me. So let's get started. Yeah. It's about as redneck as you can get, but got the chain link attached to that post. I've got a little extra left over, that's all right. Over here, got the chain link attached to that post. A little left over, it's okay. This side of that little 9-foot gate is gone. So the only thing left is to get rid of that post. So I'll fire up the tractor, bring it over here, and do some digging. Well, there it is. 16-foot wide gate, 2 8-foot halves. Looks like shit. It's all right. It is dog proof, it is usable, and I'm gonna go take a little break, hook up my trailer and pull it in through the gate, and load up the tractor.